Now that we're back on the web app, the first thing I want to show you is the support page. This is where you can contact SafetyCheck if you ever experience any issues with either the web or mobile app. While SafetyCheck is designed to be reliable and easy to use, technology is always evolving, and sometimes things don't behave as expected. To access support, go to the support page. From here, you can raise a new support ticket by selecting Raise New Support. When submitting a ticket, enter a clear subject and a brief but detailed description of the issue or fault you're experiencing. If possible, you can also attach screenshots or screen recordings. These really help us understand the problem faster and get it resolved sooner. It's also worth noting that support tickets can be raised directly from the mobile app as well, so you're never stuck without help while on site. If something doesn't look right or isn't working as expected, don't push through it. Let us know using the support system and we'll take it from there.